What up, Corliss fans? We are back in business, checking out these pepper plants. And oh yes, indeed, they are looking good. Here, I'm gonna kill this light for a second, so we can get a better view. Oh, don't worry. Let there be light. Dun-dun. Yeah. We have our lone, I believe, habanero. The rest of the flowers fell off of the plant when the room got too hot, but we are putting on new ones. Here you have our Cayenne, which one of the peppers is finally starting to turn red. Have a few more on the plant here. I think another 5. No sign of new flowers yet. It's still coming back from the heat wave that was in here. However, I do see a lot of new growth throughout the plant. I got to get them out of this corner. They're leaning on the wall and changing their orientation. This one is definitely taking off as well. I believe this is a Jalapeño as well, or a Cubanelle. We'll know here in another 2 weeks. Just wanted to give you all a quick update of what's going on. I've been slacking on the updates. But we getting there, people. We getting there.